saw masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces.
Joo, sinä saat vetteen heti.
Tähän rupesi pikkusen kautta.
Siinä oli kato esijännitys tuolla. Se vetää syys.
The worker stood in the middle of the green forest, his bright protective suit like the armor of a modern warrior. He raised his hand to check the saw blade, then walked towards the giant tree trunk, preparing for the great challenge ahead. Imagine standing in the heart of an ancient forest, where the air is thick with the scent of pine and the sunlight filters down in patches, creating a serene, cathedral-like atmosphere. Rests a chainsaw, a masterpiece of engineering, designed to slice through wood as if it were butter. The back cut, carefully placed above the notch to guide the fall. With a final roar, the chainsaw finishes the job, and the palm tree leans, gracefully bowing to the earth. The chainsaw's blade spins, gleaming under the light, ready to tackle the massive trunks before it. For those who prefer a blend of power and finesse, the Husqvarna 572 XP is a perfect partner. This chainsaw boasts a 70.6cc engine, making it versatile for felling, limbing. The chainsaw roared, its engine humming with restrained power, waiting for the moment it would bite into the fibrous wood. The task of felling a palm tree is like engaging with a graceful dancer, knowing that every move must be careful, deliberate, and respectful of the towering beauty before you. This giant has guarded this land for years, and now the time has come to take it down. Holding the saw firmly, the climber made the first cut, each cut carefully, like the hand of a sculptor at work. Make a guide cut. This is the first cut, made on the side where the tree will fall. This cut is usually made at an angle of about 70 degrees, to guide the falling tree accurately, avoiding damage to the surrounding area. Next we come to the Warrant H215E, known for its ability to handle a wide variety of trees. This machine is efficient in handling large volumes of wood in less time. Built to withstand time, nature and the demands of industry, this is the quintessential tool for those seeking speed, precision and reliability. Imagine a towering tree, reaching up to the sky with its branches spreading wide and its leaves whispering secrets to the wind. This giant has guarded the land for many years, and now it is time to take it down. Steady, the climber made the first cuts, each one carefully careful, like the hands of a sculptor at work. Branch by branch, the tree began its journey down, section by section. Finally, only the trunk remained, no longer the towering canopy. The tree climber slowly lowered himself down, cutting into sections, until the entire tree lay on the ground. Felling a towering palm tree is a task that combines skill, strength and respect for the tropical landscape. The trunk is smooth, strong and durable, reaching up to the sky in a single, unbroken line like a pillar in the cathedral of nature. Now we are faced with a stump that seems impossible to handle. But the Skiholo 70 is up to the challenge. In just a few seconds, the machine program rams the stump into dust, leaving only a pile of mulch. The roar of the saw died away, leaving only the rustling of leaves and a sense of contentment in the air. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.